Recently, Yamaguchi City have come under attack from monkeys that are trying to snatch babies, biting and clawing at flesh, and sneaking into nursery schools.
The attacks on 58 people since July 8th. That's so dangerous.
As a result, Yamaguchi City Hall hired a special unit to hunt the animals with tranquilizer guns.
The monkeys have targeted mostly children and the elderly.
City official Masato Saito said they are so smart, and they tend to sneak up and attack from behind, often grabbing at your legs.
You take a look this photo. It seems so painful. This baby was attacked by monkeys.
A woman was assaulted by a monkey while hanging laundry on her veranda. Another victim showed bandaged toes. They were taken aback and frightened by how big and fat the monkeys were.
You take a look this monkey. Wanna go inside? That's horrible if you are facing this problem in your home.
I can't imagine that happening in my home.
By the way, the monkeys are interested in food?
Up to now, no one seems to know why the attacks have occurred, and where exactly the troop of monkeys came from remains unclear. Here is the tip. When confronted by a monkey, do not look them in the eye. Make yourself look as big as possible, such as by spreading open your coat, then back away as quietly as possible without making sudden moves.
This instruction is useful. I hope they can solve this problem as soon as possible.